A drone worth around 1,000 euros flew right into the tree. And that was the best thing that happened to us that day. Because what comes next? An encounter that you cannot predict. I discovered that Cheru will dig up in some absolutely unexpected place, and one well-deserved lecture from my husband about my survival skills. This is our channel Moon Rising Brigade. We travel, we live with our fluffy companions, and nothing ever goes quite as planned. Real stories, real life on the move. Subscribe and travel with us. We are in the Hautes-Alpes, Valaria or Valauria Gorge, a place where nature has spent 80,000 years carving ladies in heads. Demoiselles Coiffées, stone columns up to 15 meters tall. How they formed, I'll tell you when we will get up close. But first, let me tell you the story from the beginning. What? And there are benches, and you can also have some tea there. Woohoo! Doobie doobie doo.
Why not? Why not?
Je veux. Oh my God! We're there. We're going there to have some tea on the chaiselong.
I think that place is for FPV.
Yes, did you take it?
Yes, I did.
I'm ready to have additional tea here while you're flying your FPV. Most people visit the main site near Pontis. Parking lot, crowds, usual things. But this spot, not that
This is one of the view spots in Demoiselles Coiffées. Okay, in Demoiselles Coiffées. But this one is pretty hidden.
They don't say a lot about this place.
And there are no people here at all.
So here we are. Tea, sunshine, private view of geological wonders. The plan was simple.
She's long.
Fly the drone, capture the columns, and enjoy the afternoon. And for a while, everything was perfect. Because that would be our day looking for the drone.
No, it won't be long.
We screwed up with Avatar a little bit. We lost it. So now, this is unexpected hike to find the drone. So famous Demoiselles Coiffées. Somewhere down there, among the famous Demoiselles Coiffées, our drone, 1,000 euro of technology, sitting in a bush, probably judging us. But then it hit me. If we would never have this incident with the drone, we would not come that close to those stone ladies. So now, when we're among them, let me tell you how it actually works. 80,000 years ago, a glacier came through here, left behind a chaos of rocks, a big and small and all mixed together. But rain and meltwater started washing away the soft stuff. But wherever a hard stone sat on the top, it worked like an umbrella, protected everything beneath. This is how these columns formed. Or rather, that's how everything around them disappears. The drone was located and found. And while Big One was trying to take it back down from the tree, I decided to take a rest.
Oh gosh.
So here I am, tired, and I spot this perfect little stone seat.
So there is the big one who is trying to get Avata from the tree. And I'm just not there. I'm sitting here.
And then my husband sees that and immediately goes into the safety mode. Turns out I made myself comfortable in a dry riverbed. You know, that exact spot where the rock falls happens more often.
Look, there is one of the ladies there.
The water long gone, but the rocks, well, they still remember the route. So lesson learned, don't be me. Never stop to rest in the riverbed. The drone in the backpack, hid enough, and there she is. The kind of encounter you cannot book. Chamois, A scientific name is Rupacabra rupacabra. Zoologists just literally repeated the same word twice. I guess they just ran out of creativity somewhere around classification of beetle. Chamois can climb 1,000 meters in 15 minutes.
I call him Chamoiselle because this is the chamois of Demoiselles.
There's vertical walls, just a sidewalk for them. We spent half a day chasing a drone. She'd do this route on a coffee break. Cheru assessed the goat with a professional Brazoi interest, calculated the height, the speed, his chances, and wisely decided not today.
Ah, my beautiful shoes! The best shoes in the world. They are more than 10 years and they are still okay.
Well, those shoes let me down in Cascade de la Pisse, but that's another story. And then Cheru makes his contribution to the expedition.
See? Looks like skull of chamois.
This is the scalp of Chamois indeed. And now you need to keep the guy because he will carry it with him. Keep him. No. No, Chuchu, I know. It's your prey today, but no.
From up here, the whole stone theater spreads out below. They called Theus the ballroom of the Demoiselles. And now I understand why. Dozens of columns. Each one is different. In the distance, Serpenson, a man-made sea among the mountains. We have a separate video on that. Link is coming. I learned my lesson about riverbeds. Met a chamois, alive. And all because something went beautifully wrong. So have you ever had a trip which started from going on wrong, like totally, and ended up being unforgettable? Tell about this in the comments. I'm really curious.